Would find its way out.
This will actually be a cleaner vacuuming than if we vacuumed. Hey! Because it's getting under all the furniture. Look at that.
How does it know what it's done?
I don't know.
Doesn't know what it's done.
I don't think it knows what it's done in this crazy room. It's like a labyrinth.
Oh no, there it goes!
Goodbye, Roomba.
Thank you, Roomba. You did a good job.
Good job, Roomba.